Yo guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Bandai which came from the anime Sakugan, and this is your Big Tony and the main protagonist mobile character or mecha character. And honestly, this is a transforming kit, and I really like the concept of a drill. It's like a drill tank or something like that. It's very cute, to be honest. I really like the design of this one because of the cuteness of this kit, and the color matches the persona of the mecha model. The baby blue one, or the baby blue color, matches the this gray parts here, and also the light gray parts also. It really complements each other. And yung kulay dilaw dito sa kanyang drill, it's very breaking the point of the monotonous color of the blue, breaking the putting some contrast, something like that. And the backpack here, this is a very unique part or aspect on this kit. It's the backpack. I am not painting this one yet because I don't have time. So maybe sooner or later I will paint this part here. I'll put some markers. I would use the markers. And yep, has booster here also underneath on the sides. Okay, this kit is 172 scale, and it's a short kit, by the way. It's like about 15 centimeters tall in this mobile suit form. But if you're going to transform this will be very short. It would be a short kit when you transform it. Okay, so let's do some quick play here. Okay, let's check the articulation here. These are all ball joints. So this kit has all the ball joints that we get for the joints. Okay, and this one here is really easy to detach, especially the arm. So the joints here, by the way, we got here the main joint for the upper limbs, which is connected to torso/head. So because this is the head as well, and this is where the pilot, the father and daughter pilot, stays inside. But unfortunately we cannot open this, and there's no gimmicks for that where we can place the pilot inside. Okay, it can move like this also. It can rotate like that, and at the same time this part here can do the rotations as well. So you've got so many points of articulation for this kit. So this kit is very versatile, and can rotate on this point. So it can do 360 rotation because of the ball joint, like that. And also it can rotate on this part, but on this part here, which is the main they call this the main connection for the torso, is a bit stiff, so I might not play with this will not play this frequently. And there it can do some inward placement like that of the shoulder, and also outward extension of the shoulder. So it can do some baliko, yan, pagbaliko ng ganyan. Also it can do some parang yung naka crouch or naka cross yung kanyang arms, something like that. Pero medyo stiff siya. Medyo kailangan adjustment lang konti. Okay, something like that. So napakadaming points of movement here in the arms, especially dito. Then the elbows can also move like this. Like that. So, yan, masyado siyang maraming movement. And also for the claw here, it can close like that also. And it can open like that as well. Okay. So medyo stiff nga lang tong sa claw, so be careful. Yan, baka maputol mo yung joints doon. Wala na, hindi na siya magiging claw. And for the legs here, this one here is very tricky to move dahil dito sa mga armor pieces na to. So be careful with these armor pieces because this is just connected with a very small peg on this gray sockets there. So be careful when moving them, and might as well hold on this portion and hold on this portion as well when moving. Don't hold on the armor parts because you might break those small pegs. So you can somehow kick like that. It's very stiff now. The joints are very stiff. You can kick backwards like that, and it can kick forward like that. And there's also movement on that joint there. Okay. Which adds versatility on legs, the upper thigh, I mean, and knees. It's very tricky to bend because of this part here that will bring the crane or the tank tracks together like that. Somehow, you need to guide the joints here. Medyo alalay lang para hindi siya mag-sudden snap. And also, the armor here, these plates here, you can move it somehow, but be careful when moving those armor here. Because it will move simultaneously the foot part, so be careful when rotating that joints or those joints because it tends to loosen up. Medyo nakakatakot siya galawin eh. Yan. And so let's do the size comparison for this kit. We got here mobile movement test, the Momo 144 scale. So this is taller, of course, than your Big Tony. I got here Gundam Wing, and Gundam Wing is obviously taller than Big Tony. And got here this Gone Easy. Of course, Gone Easy is taller, and got here the RX 785. So Big Tony here is small, and of course, if I'm going to do the Modoroid, this will be taller than Big Tony, obviously. So I will leave the transformation sequence to the other reviewers. Plus, I don't like transforming my kits, so I will give the credits to them. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you very much for watching this short review of Sakugan Big Tony. Night, God bless, take care. Masalama, auf Wiedersehen. Paalam sa inyong lahat.